fell off. He lost Grandma's hat. He lost his hat.
Look at Wolf. Watch him get out of it though.
He lost his hat.
Hey, give him the hat, E.